Dear students, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. I am solving its exercise 1A. Dear student, I have solved all the sums up to 8. Now I am going to solve question number 9. This is for intermediate level. 9. Check whether 90 is a perfect square or not. We have to see that whether 90 is a perfect square or not. Usually we know that 90 is not a perfect square because if 9 multiplied by 9 then 81, and if 10 multiplied by 10 then it is 100. So we know that it is not a perfect square, but how can we check it? Let us check it by prime factorization. Dear student, we have to see whether 90 is a perfect square or not. We will find its prime factorization, and you know that we will divide it by prime number. Let it is divisible by prime number 2, divided by 2, 90 divided by 2. We will read the table of 2 until we get 9 or less than 9. 2 4s are 8. We will write here 4 and here 8. After subtracting from 8 from 9, we will get 1 and carry 0 here. 10, 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. It means that 90 has been completely divided by 2. So answer is 45. We will write here 45. Now see which prime number can divide 45. 3 prime number can divide 45. Let us try it by 3. 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 here after subtracting and 15 here. Now 3 5s are 15. Remainder again 0. So it means that it is also completely divided. So when 45 is divided by 3, the answer is 15 here. Now you know that 15 can also be divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, and 5 can be divided by 5 only, 1 here. Now you see that if we want to check that whether 90 is a prime factor, is a 90 is a square number or not, we will see that its prime factors of 90 make perfect square or not. Prime factors of 90. What are prime factors of 90? 2, then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 1 2 3 4. These are 4 prime factors of 90, and you will see that whether these prime factors make their square or not. 2 is single, it doesn't make square. 3 makes square, and 5 doesn't make square, because here are two numbers which can't make their perfect square. So 90 is not a perfect square. If both of these two numbers, this one and this one, were also able to make their perfect square, then we can say that the 90 was a perfect square. Now here the case is only 3 is making its perfect square, 2 is not making its perfect square, 5 is also not making its perfect square from the prime factorization of 90. So we say that 90 is not a perfect square. 90 is not a perfect square. Thanks for watching. I think you will be understanding. If you are understanding, then share it with your fellows. Take care.